everyone. So finally I visited the dollar store. You guys are also invited. So let's go inside the dollar store and let's see what I have planned out for today's tutorial. So I directly went to the MDF section and this is what all I got. And one of my favorite thing which I really wanted to do was the burnt decoupage technique. So I got this beautiful cutout. So yeah, I know this is so tricky to stick your decoupage napkin. But this tutorial is all about using your cutouts in such an amazing way that you don't have to do too much of effort. So to start with, I'm using my decoupage glue. Meanwhile, please do not forget to subscribe to GrowingCraft and hit the bell icon, and do not forget to like our video. So once I was done with my decoupage glue, you can even use your Mod Podge. I started peeling off my napkin, and meanwhile you will see I actually teared my napkin also, but then that's fine, I can manage this pretty well. Okay, so once I was done with my peeling of the plies, here I am going to stick my napkin. Now you can use 2-3 different things for removing the wrinkles and sticking your napkin properly, as either you use your plastic sheets or your sponge dauber, and in this one I have used my sponge dauber. So this napkin is also from dollar store. So DIY crafts are like super amazing at the dollar store. So I have been, like, since I shifted to Dallas, I have been visiting dollar store very frequently. Even if I don't buy anything, I just love going inside and just roaming around and seeing things. That's one of my hobby, I guess. Okay, now coming back to the tutorial, here I'm just sticking my napkin very well so that there are no wrinkles, bubbles, and you know, as it's such an intricate design, the MDF cutout, so for my home decor I thought of doing something really beautiful and classy. This was so beautiful, but I was really hesitate on whether to buy this or not, and then I got this idea of doing the burnt decoupage technique. So first I will just stick my napkin properly. You do not have to worry about the oversize of the napkin, that how you are going to finish the edges, because you are going to learn that here very quickly. Do watch this video till end, because you will learn this amazing idea of using any of your decoupage napkins, any of your cutouts, and creating a beautiful home decor. So I am going to have this in my living room. So I really wanted something floral because my living room decor is like plain white and gold. So I thought this will go really well. You can check out the remaining of the supplies on our website at growingcraft.com. So once I was done with the sticking of this, I really don't have to let it dry completely because it works out fine with the burn technique. So here I took my lighter and I'm just going to burn the napkin. Just be careful while you're doing this. Don't hurt yourself. Please do this in an open area, or open your windows very well when you are doing this. So I literally opened the windows of my craft room and then I was doing this tutorial. So here, once I am like very comfortable with my the stool, the lighter, I really quickly I finish it. Trust me, this takes very less time than the sanding. So even if you want to just do this for any of your MDF cutouts, try this out, you will really love it. This way, on the edges you do not like see any of the extra decoupage napkin. Just keep on rotating it. Don't do the lighter part on one area only. So you just need to burn the excessive decoupage napkins, and can you just see how beautifully this has turned out? So whatever the cutout was, whatever the grooves were, they have turned out so beautifully. And honestly, the burnt lines, you don't even see that because it's just so faint. Now I'm just using my sponge dauber to press this really well. Now do check out us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest. We are everywhere, guys. Do check us out on other platforms too. Once I was done with this, then here I am doing some gold foiling work. I really wanted to add a lot of drama to this project. Like I said, in my living room we have more of gold and white, so I thought gold gliding work will really help. So I did a lot of gold foiling work here, and this looks so great, so beautiful, so amazing. So for this one, whatever the supplies I'm using, you can check them out on our website at growingcraft.com. The links are there in the description box. This is one of the best way of doing your home decor, and I love creating my own DIYs because they are one of the best ways to decor for your handmade gifting, for your friends, family, and I'm sure they will love it. Once this is done, of course, I wanted to use my massive stamping, and without it, it's incomplete. Any of my decoupage art is incomplete. Now if you guys really like this tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to press the bell icon, and do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.